What's going on, New Mexico? This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas, your hometown dealership. What's up? How you doing? So it is a Saturday morning. It is the final weekend of our September Save-a-Thon event. It is the final weekend of Chevrolet's Truck Month. We have got stuff happening down here, and if you want to get a vehicle, you need to come down and see us. We have got all kinds of specials during Truck Month, during Chevy's Truck Month. Get a $1,000 accessory bonus on Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, Colorado. Get on down here and see us and take advantage of that. You could slap some running boards on your truck. You could put some tonneau cover, whatever you want. $1,000 additional during Chevy Truck Month. And we have got some vehicles in. I tell you what, we've been getting some vehicles in every day. Well, I was excited. We got a Corvette in the other day, but it was already sold, so I didn't show it to y'all. But that was a pre-order. So if you want to order a vehicle, come down and see us. But we've got some vehicles in. Check these out. Let's see if you can see these. These just came in yesterday, and these have not been lasting, I will tell you what. So we've got a Silverado Z71 Trail Boss. We've got a white Trail Boss. That is nice looking. We've got another Trail Boss sitting here, a black one. Look at that. Nice. A Traverse. I tell you what, we've got this Traverse here. If you were looking for a Traverse, you know that they've been hard to find. So we got this in yesterday, and then check this out. These have been hard to find. Tahoe, baby. If you're looking for a Chevy Tahoe, here is this one. LS model 4-wheel drive. Look at that. Wait. That is pretty. So if you are looking for a vehicle, we have got some vehicles, and we've got some more over there that just came in. I mean, come down and see us. Do not wait. Don't miss this chance. We have got these vehicles in. I mean, the Trail Boss, you know, that's one of my favorite trucks I ever had, was this Trail Boss. So if you're looking for a vehicle, and on the used side, we have got a ton of vehicles as well. So, hey there. Don't miss this chance. It is the final weekend of our September Save-a-Thon. Ain't that right, Jackson?
That's right, DT.
So you need to get down here. We are open till 6 today. Tomorrow we are closed. We're normally open 7 days a week, but this week we're open 6 days a week because we're all going to the baseball game. We've got an event going on at the Isotopes game tomorrow, so we are here today. Come see us. All kinds of things happening. We'll be here Monday through the end of the month, closing it up strong, so don't miss Truck Month. Don't miss the September Save-a-Thon. Get on down here, people. This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas, 505-866-3000, or check us out online at melloychevrolet.com. What else you want, people? Get on down here.